So here we are at the beach, you guys. Somebody over there having a bonfire. See the fire? See the bonfire down there?
Oh, yeah.
Can you have bonfires on the
You
beach?
see all the lifeguards are gone.
Can you have bonfires
No.
on the beach?
No. But it was on the news that there was no lifeguards.
I know. They're gone. Most of them are gone back to school. Because most of them are young. But they were gone for the day. I saw that too. I don't know if you can have bonfire. There's a sunset, you guys. And there's a big slew of people down there. It look like they're having a bonfire, y'all. I don't even know if they can have bonfires on the beach, but I guess you can. Because if it was illegal, baby, they wouldn't be doing it because they get arrested.
Yeah.
I suppose they can. Maybe it's not a bonfire, a real fire. Maybe it's just one of those make pretend fire things. There's the sun setting down there. It is so beautiful here. There's a seagull. And there are people just hanging out. There are seagulls there. Flying around. People just hanging out at the beach. Don't come think of my hair a nest now. Yo, I'm like, come on, don't come think of my hair's a nest, you guys. It kind of look like one. Yeah, dropping. Oh, there's some dope. Sunset. Honey, I think, guys, I'm going to zoom into this bonfire going on over there. Okay. Whoop. Ooh. Look, babe. Whoop. Right there.
Oh, wow.
Pretty cool, you guys. They having a bonfire.